was in high school, I had a benign bone tumor in my right femur. Playing frisbee, I jumped up, caught a frisbee, landed, and my leg shattered. I lost 7 inches of my right femur. I went under surgery and they thought they'd take my leg. I remember begging and pleading for them not to. I did not walk for 2 years. The pain that you end up with forced me out of cycling. I did not ride for 15 years. That's how the menu develops, is we look at what's in season, what's actually growing, and then pretty much we'll use everything that we could find that farmers are growing.
Hi there.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Would you like to try cherry?
We have a dish with quail on the menu that has cherries in it. That'd be super good.
Are you a chef?
Yeah, I'm running a restaurant in town here for 3.5 months. I just took over the St. Regis. Here I am in 1993, and I'm laying around on a couch or a bed every waking moment of my day. Watching the Jacques Pepins and the Julia Childs, Food Network, and Emeril Lagasse showed up. I literally wrote this guy a letter. I think what you're doing is interesting. I would love to learn more. Do you think I could come into your kitchen? And he called me. The next thing I know, I'm in Emeril's kitchen in New Orleans. And so at that point, I applied to the Culinary Institute of America. The way my career evolved was always, I think, seeking the next challenge. Maybe it goes back to my leg injury, to that moment when everything sort of flipped for me. I realized that life isn't infinite. Everybody comes in, we prep all day. We get to a point, everybody takes a little bit of a break and tries to collect themselves and get ready for what's ahead. As a chef, I'm constantly going to New York or San Francisco or to Europe. Riding and getting out on a bike is something that balances my life. And anytime I'm going for more than just a few days, I'm always wanting to ride my bike. When I get on the ground, I'm always looking for great places to ride and ways to find good food. Day 2, we're gonna do all the things as we did last night. A lot of pastas to be made, things to be roasted, vegetables to be cooked, greens to be blanched. Day 2, every day gets easier. No one's ever gonna leave here hungry. Much like bike racing, everyone has to have an individual level of excellence, and then you have to be able to sew that together as a team to produce the final product. You can't just hide in the back. It's a hard business. It requires a lot of commitment. Everyone is trying to develop a multi-tiered level of skills. What is the differentiator? What makes someone better at something than someone else is passion. I work 12+ hour days and still race bikes. When you're 13 years old and you get on a bike, it's one of the most liberating experiences because you can go and do anything you want and you're under your own power. These are the things that I want to do. I didn't ride a bike for 15 years. When I got back on for the first time, it was like a window opened. I saw all these things that had been missing. I became a better chef. I became a better person. Applied to the rest of my life, it completed me.